Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your Bitget account in a very simple way. Firstly, let's go over to our Bitget account. At the upside you're going to see complete identity verification before trading, and also you're going to see verified. So what you have to do next is for you to go over to the verified side, and it takes us over to this place which is complete identity verification in 5 minutes. So this is the requirements, which is government issued documents and face recognition and verification. So these are the requirements. So what you have to do next for you to go over to verified now, and Bitget would like to gain access to the camera. You have to say okay. So let me do okay, and it's the next one is showing Bitget would like to gain access to your photo. You have to do allow access to your photo, because I'm going to take picture of your BVN or your NIM, so you're going to say allow access to all photo. Let me do that. And the next one is select ID type, which is your country, region of residence. So you're going to put your country, and the second one is issuing country, region is also the same thing. So I'm going to put Nigeria, and the last one is ID type. So you're going to go over to select ID type, which is showing your NIN, your BVN. So you're going to choose the one you have. So either you choose your NIN or your BVN. So I'm going over to NIN. Yes. So you have to do next. At the down side you're going to see next, and it's showing verify your NIN. So what you have to do here is for you to type in your NIN number, which I'm doing right now. So in case you're using your BVN, you have to put your bank verification number. So I'm putting my NIN right now. So when you're done with it, you have to do next, and it's saying prepare for facial recognition, which means you want to take the pictures of your face, to verify if you are the owner of the NIN, and it's loading. And what it says here is begin your to begin your verification, and you have to do continue, and it's loading also. So as you can see, I've taken the pictures of my face here. I've taken the picture of my face, and it's processing to check if I'm really the owner of the NIN, and it says your facial scan is complete, verifying. So the next one is showing identity verification under review. You have completed level 1, so your identity verification is under review, and it will take more than 2 minutes. It will be done. So you have to wait for a minute or so, and let me go back to my home page to refresh it to check it have been verified. So it's still showing under review at the upside. So they sent me an email, so I'm trying to know what is it, and it's loading, and you can see it here. And Bitget KYC verification successful, which means my Bitget verification has been successful. You can see it there, KYC verification successful. So I have to go back to my Bitget, and you can see there identity verification successful, current permission, and also is verified. You can see it at the upside, is showing green. My Bitget account has been verified. It's very simple for you to do, and now you can see you can be able to carry out transaction, or Bitget can buy and trade on Bitget. And this is the reward center. You can able to you can claim your reward. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.